I'm just a chill girl, guys. I can't help it. It literally says feeling pooky. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो वीडियो है it's the most comfy outfit का haul. So summers is almost here and I love oversized t-shirts for summers. I think there is nothing more comfortable than a good oversized comfy fit, a comfy t-shirt. So I thought let's do a oversized t-shirts haul and जितने भी चीजें मैं आज आपको दिखाऊंगी सब कुछ oversized होने वाला है. In fact, this is what I'm wearing right now. It's in size small but it's oversized. I love it. So yeah, it's an oversized t-shirt haul and all the items are from Amazon. Amazon पे उनकी brand sale Color Splash भी live हो चुकी है. It is live till the 9th of March. So make sure करो कि आप during that duration shop कर लो and जितने भी links जो भी मैं आज आपको दिखाऊंगी सब कुछ मैं description box में mention कर दूंगी, comments में pin कर दूंगी, तो make sure करना वो जरूर से check कर लो. And yeah, I'm very excited to show you all what all I have. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Let's get started with the first item. तो जो मैंने सबसे पहले oversized t-shirt ली है, मैंने ये Soul Store की Pop of Girls की t-shirt ली है. So this says Stay Fierce since 1998, so which is exactly my birth year, and it's pink in color. It has Powerpuff Girls. I thought this is such a perfect summer edition. I love Powerpuff Girls, and if you are a 90s kid, even early 2000s kid, you probably have watched it. And I love these kind of cartoon wild t-shirts, so this is what I got as the first item. The material is very soft, very nice. It's pure cotton, so super comfy to wear in summers as well. In fact, मैंने size small लिया है, but because these are like oversized t-shirts, this is how it looks on wearing. S भी काफी ढीला डाला है, so that is the best part, that you can literally breathe out in these t-shirts. So this is the first item and I love how it fits me. I love the color, I love the print, everything about this. In fact, all the items that I'm gonna show you guys today सब कुछ under rupees 999 है, so also very affordable. So yeah, that is the first item I got. And yeah, next up I got this t-shirt from June Berry which says feeling pooky. Now I think pooky is one term जो हम आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा use करने लगे for anyone who's very cute, romantic and all those cutie pie things. So it just says feeling cute, pooky, and it has this cute dog kind of figure over here which I like. The color is also very summery in this blue and white print, so I really like this one. मैंने size up करा है इसमें. It is size M, not S. So ये M के साथ कुछ ऐसा fitting दे रहा है मुझे, and I feel it's again a very comfortable fit, something I can wear every day again. Very pooky material and very pooky vibe of this t-shirt. And yeah, this is the next item. I love how it fits me. Super comfy again. It's pure cotton again. I think that is the best part. आज की सारी t-shirts की ये सब कुछ pure cotton है, not polyester or spandex mix, so that will keep you super comfy. And अभी जितनी गर्मी है, I'm pretty sure March April तक आते आते it's gonna be like really terrible. So I think उसके लिए we do need very comfy t-shirts, and this is probably one of those. Okay, since we're talking about like white and blue t-shirts, I got similar thing only but in like a different color pattern and different designs. I got this one. It's from the men's section. It's in size S again from Soul Store. And मैं men's section normally scroll कर रही थी and I saw this and I was like, it's so cute. I love Donald Duck and it has just this one Donald Duck का picture all over here. बाकी it's like a plain t-shirt and in this blue and white color. The material is super soft. I love how it fits me. I can literally laze around in my house wearing just this one t-shirt. It's so comfy. I love this. The material again is similar to the previous Soul Store one. So material में तो कोई भी change नहीं है, pure cotton है, very comfortable and it's quite stretchy also. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं S मतलब क्योंकि ये मेल सेक्शन का S है, तो अगर आप men देख रहे हो कोई ये, तो अगर आप S लोगे तो I think it will fit for you. अगर आप S पहनते हो ना, if you're a female watching this, तो of course S आप ले रहे हो तो that's it will be this oversized. अगर आप M ले रहे हो तो literally as a dress पहन सकते हो आप. So make sure करो कि आप जिस सेक्शन से पिक कर रहे हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग साइज ऑर्डर करो. जैसे बाकी जो मैंने पिछली दोनों आपको दिखाई हैं वो फीमेल सेक्शन से था, तो उसमें S and M लिया मैंने, and this one के लिए I went ahead with S only because men's की already बड़ी होती है t-shirt. Okay, next t-shirt that I have, I'm actually wearing it right now and it says I'm just a chill girl. You know that meme that went viral over Instagram? This is by Bewakoof, by the way. I love Bewakoof ki t-shirts. I have so many of them. And it went viral Instagram पे. I'm just a chill guy, I'm just a chill girl, पीछे बिल्डिंग जल रही है, ये हो रहा है, but मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता because I'm just a chill girl. So मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute लगी थी. And the best part was that it was darker color but the print was like pinkish and cutish. This is how it looks. पूरा अगर आप देखोगे तो, एंड आई जस्ट फील दिस इज सो कम्फी. आई I'm literally wearing this since सुबह से, and I've been shooting सुबह से, and it's just so comfy. I can, मैं सोच रही हूँ इसमें जिम भी चली जाऊँ, but मुझे जिम नहीं जाना because it's new and I just want to. Oh my god, I can't tell you how comfy this is. So yeah, this is the next item I got. It's in size small and super comfy. Love the color, love the print, and very trendy. I'm just a chill girl after all, guys. Okay, coming to the last t-shirt. So I got a basic pink, baby pink t-shirt. This is from Bewakoof again. I got it in size M. आई नो बहुत बड़ा होता है इनका एम, बट मुझे बड़ा चाहिए था बिकॉज मैं घर पे कंफर्टेबल रहना चाहती हूँ. एंड आई सॉ दिस एंड इन द कलर इज सुपर ट्रेंडी, द कलर इज सुपर क्यूट, सो आई कैन गेट इन दिस कलर इवन इफ इट्स अ प्लेन टी शर्ट. आई नो आई विल बी वेयरिंग दिस अ लॉट, सो दिस इज हाउ दिस प्लेन टी शर्ट लुक्स लाइक. एक नॉर्मल से शॉर्ट्स के साथ पहन लिया एंड यू कैन wear this anywhere. जिम जाना है, मॉल जाना है, रनिंग एरेंड्स है, कहीं भी पहन सकते हो, घर पे पहन सकते हो. सो I got this and so comfy. I love it. The material is literally H&M Zara wala material in literally 1/4 of the price. So I love it, and yeah, that's the last item that I got. These were all the t-shirts that I got recently from Amazon. All of them are like oversized t-shirts, and I've also sized up for like extra baggy fit. But yeah, all of them will be linked in the description box. Comments में भी pin कर दूंगी. And आप मुझे comments में ये जरूर से बताओ कि आपकी favorite t-shirt कौन सी है. मेरी तो देखो, I'm just a chill girl. I love this, and I think maybe the pokey one, I really find the color combination and the design very cute. So yeah, and yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.